Hi everyone, I've just bought on Black Friday a new table saw. It's model DWE7480 and I want to set up it and show how to do it. So I have previous video about how to install kickback and safeguard, but it was silent video and some people complained and they said they sent me a message. So can you explain what I want to do now? So okay, open it. First of all, I want to show you how to install anti-kickback. So where is the anti-kickback here? It's right here. This anti-kickback. How to take it? It's locked. Just here is button. Just press it and take it. That's it. And easy to put it back. You just put it in, press the button. That's it. It's locked. Okay, take it. When we take it, we need to raise blade up. Okay, good enough. So here we have blade and riving knife. So on this riving knife we have 3 spaces. The middle space, this for anti-kickback. How to install it? Just put it here, press the button and put it down. Okay, another. Up. Press it, put down. One more time. Press the button and raise it up. Put it in, press the button, put it down. Easy. Now it's on the place and you can work. So now I want to show you how to install face guard. So we have already riving knife here, anti-kickback, and then this is fence guard. So fence guard has, this is lock, and this part has inside pin. Can you see this pin? So this pin is settled right there. To install fence guard, first of all we have to raise blade up to highest point. Look at this. This is anti-kickback going down and this hook is getting open. So we have pin inside here and we have to put this pin like this, put fence down, and here we have lock. That's it. It's already set up. So how to take it back? Unlock and then slide it down. One more time. Make sure it's unlocked. Just put it in, put it down, lock. That's it. It's set up. Now we install rib fence. So this plate should be outside, and here we have 3 pins. And from other side we have same pins too. So just put it right here, one, and put another one from other side. And if you have this lock on top, you can lock it. So first of all, you need to put it down and then lock, and put down this and lock. That's it. Rib fence is already set up. So now you can slide it to one side, to another side. If you need to rip big piece, just put this plate down. It's help you to hold it. So if you need to rip wider pieces, just put it here to this pin, and on the back side to another pin, and lock it. That's it. And you can rip. Here is 24 inches wider. So usually we can use this. So when we set up all this part, the last one, what we have to do, so we have to take knife. We take knife and unsecure this bottom. So it's ready for work. We can plug and check how it's worked. Okay. Now it's ready for work. If you want to remove fence guard, so first of all you have to make sure you unplug your saw for safety reason, and then unlock, lift it up and slide it down. Then take it here. Here is the same hook. Put it down and then lock. Okay. One more time. That's it, it's locked. So how to take it back? Unlock and slide it down. Slide it back. Put it one more time. Put it here, put it down and lock. How to take it back? Unlock, slide it back. One more time. Put it here, put it down, lock. That's it. So now how to remove anti-kickback. Press the button, raise it up, put it. This teeth should be up, put it right here, press the button, that's it, it's set. One more time. Teeth up, put it down, press the button, that's it, it's locked. Make sure button is come back, because if it's inside, it's not locked. Like this, it should be from this side. You can see this button. Okay, now it's locked. So now next step, I want to show you how to remove rip knife and how to remove how to exchange blade. So you remember, your saw should be unplugged, no power. It's really dangerous. Need to remove this fence. So next, so need to take this plate off. Here is special hole for your finger. Just put it and that's it. You already removed it. So Riving knife hold with this bolt. To remove a Riving knife, we have to unscrew this bolt first, unscrew it, and then push it. Look, arrow. Push it, and then take it off. If you want to put it back, just hold, push it, put it down, and then secure it. So one more time, unscrew it, push it, remove it. That's it. So next step, how to remove blade. Right here on the side we have keys. One and another one. Which one for each, for what side? So okay. So this is for this nut right here. Okay. So this is from this for this side right here. And then you just put it down and that's it. So you don't have to, okay, one more time. So you don't have to hold two keys. Just put it down and then just push it. That's it. You can unscrew it. Take this plate off and take blade. So you can use this blade or you want to install another blade. So okay, put it back. So make sure blade this keys should be to the front, and always easy if it's all these letters on the left side. Put it back, put this plate, put the nut, then make it tight. That's it. When you finish, install the blade, just put this key back. So make sure this big part should be on to the front right here, and then this part right here, and screw it in. Secure it. That's it, done. So and then we can install Riving knife if you need it. So just push this bolt in, slide down, and then secure. Okay. Take the plate. Here is special pins. It's fixed this plate. Put it down. Turn, lock. That's it. Boom. Now put blade down. Put this fence. You remember pins here, pin on the other side. Put down. And so then take this cable, put it right here. That's it. It's ready to go. And one more thing, don't forget lock. It's not should be slide. That's it. Now you can go for work. Take it and go.